I'm Skipjack Cindy, and I'm going to show you a simple way to catch carp. They're fun fighters. They fight so hard. Pound for pound, probably one of the hardest fighting fish there are for their size. But we've got some homemade peg bait. Simple peg bait that you can get the ingredients for anywhere and put together in like 5 minutes. And then we're going to be using corn. And our peg bait has fruit in it. You can use just about any kind of fruit, but lately we've been using pineapple with good results, chunk pineapple. So you just take your peg bait. This is called a method feeder for the 4/0 carp hook. Bought both off Amazon. You want to put a little stop and keep it up off the hook just a little bit, but that's just braid and a swivel. But you press your peg bait into the cage there. But there you go, you're set up. When that gets out in the water, fish come along, it starts to fall off out of the method feeder, and they come and pick it out of the method feeder, and it kind of disperses in an area around where your hook is. And as they're sucking up this food, the goal is to have them suck up that hook with that corn and hook and get hooked in the lip. And before we start fishing, we normally will throw out a little bit of corn, a little bit of peg bait in the general area around where we're fishing. So now we wait.
We may have one on. Think he's there. Grab him, Cindy. Cindy may have one. Didn't take too long. We've been sitting here about 30 minutes. Both them rods out there, them carp rods.
This is the first fish we've had on the right rod, though.
Yeah. And this got the same setup as the other one.
Come on, fish.
Let's juggle our rods around a little bit there, I guess. We'll go over here and see if we can see him. There he is.
He didn't fight very hard.
He didn't, did he? I wonder if that's one of the same ones we caught earlier.
Could be.
He may come back for a second taste. He didn't fight at all, hardly.
No. He's going up here in the grass. I'll try not to get the method feeder tangled up in the net.
And there you go. There's that method feeder.
And
Right there's how it's done, people. Right
it's
there.
a pretty good hook set, considering they have really thin lips. You can't force a carp. You have to fight them in. They have thin lips, and that hook will pull out really easily. Come on. Come on, buddy.
There's how you catch carp.
And he's probably 6 or 7 pounds. I wouldn't say over that at all. But they're usually good fight. And they have pretty colors. Look at that yellow tail.
Or keep your slide away from it so it don't.
But yeah, they're fun fish. Well worth the time put into fishing for them. So,
Are you gonna tell them about the pack bait?
I'll put the recipe. It's a really simple recipe. Anybody can do it. I'll put the recipe for the pack bait in the description of the video. You guys get get out there and catch some carp.
If you I'll even get a close up. There you go.
Let's put him back in.
Just let him go. Let him go be caught again. If that rod don't hook her in the foot there.
Woo!
Oh, you're gonna get a little.
Now he's gonna get a little rambunctious. Come on, fish. It's a little shallow for you, I know.
And there he goes.
You just didn't like how shallow that water was. Oh, he about slapped me in the head.
Cindy's got her carp on.
He's bleeding a little bit. I'm gonna get him back in the water.
Mm-hmm. I think that's what, the 4th or 5th one tonight?
It is.
There he goes. Well, he's gonna hang out for a minute. He splashed her a little bit though.
Yeah, I'm wet.
Hanging out in the moss. Right, I'm gonna hang out here for a minute. Go on.
That's why I saved that stick a minute ago.